All right, so now we're gonna do number 10. We're gonna do the same way we've been doing in other rounded ones here. We're gonna start off with doing a square. So I'm gonna just do the outline of this here and then extrude it, and I'm gonna then round off the edges. So I'm going to create a new part, do ISO 10. All right, and I'm going to create a sketch on my front plane. I'm going to use my line tool, and I'm just going to start from the top here. I'm going to click straight down, make that a measurement of 2, and it goes all the way over with a total measurement of 5.5. Back up 1, over, let's say 3.5, up to match this line here. We got there, and go from there. So we can extrude this. It's got an extrusion of 2 inches. And click check. So this is the main shape of it. So what we need to do now is just add the fillets here, and then do the holes. So let's do the fillets first. So I'm going to fillet that edge, this edge, that edge, and go to the back of it as well. Click on that edge, and at the same time I could actually do these 2 edges right here, because these all fillets have the same measurement of 1 inch, and if you can see, it changes all the correct measurements there to 1 inch, and click to check, and all those fillets are done. So like again, you can do that all with 1 fillet just by clicking all the edges that you need. And now I'm going to do my holes. So I'm going to create a sketch on this top one here. Look at the top, and I'm going to put a point directly in the middle of this. And I'm going to finish this sketch. Click on hole, click this point. So got a measurement of 1, goes all the way through, click check. So that's that one. So now we just do the same thing for this guy right here. Create a sketch on that face, click a point, and I'm going to put it directly in line with this here to the middle. And again, it snaps right to it. That's where that hole should be. Click check, click the hole, select the point, measurement 1 inch, again all the way through, click the check, and there we go with that part. That is now complete. ISO number 10. So we got one more after this.